Thank you for those kind words. So my name is Rajbir Batra, and I spent many wonderful years here at Springdales School. So it's quite an honor to be invited back, and it's also quite exciting to see this Utter Tinkering Innovation Lab. Congratulations to the school for this fantastic initiative. And so when Sir and Ma'am Ritu asked me to come and give a talk, I was very excited. I said, yes, just tell me, what do you want me to talk about? So they said, talk about your path from school to what you're doing now. And now that's a little bit difficult and also quite embarrassing, because I'm definitely not yet this grand old man who can reflect back on his old long career. I don't think I can pull off one of those preachy speeches, but I understand why they've asked me to do this. It's because some years ago, not many years ago, but some years ago, I was a student here in this very room. It wasn't the innovation lab, it was the biology lab there, right? Yeah. And I was sitting right there, I was in class 9, and I was doing that experiment, you know, where you look down the microscope and you can see your cheek cells. So the idea of that experiment, I guess, is, you know, as a 14-year-old kid, you're looking at your cells and it's magnified, and you see the cytoplasm, the cell membrane, and you're supposed to go, wow, look at the magnificence of human life. Except that really wasn't what I was thinking. My first emotion was pain, because I'd just been made to dig into my cheeks to get those cheek cells. And after that, I'm supposed to go on to onion cells, which means I have to peel an onion. That didn't help with the tears in my eyes. And after all of that, you have to go and write that whole thing in a lab report. Really, the last thing I was thinking was magnificence and wonderment. I was just thinking, when can I leave biology? And like I'm sure many of you who don't particularly like a subject, I did the same calculation. Okay, I'm in class 9, now there's one more year in class 10, I have to do it. And 11 and 12, freedom! So class 11 and 12, I took mathematics, computer sciences, I dropped biology. So no biology, yes. For my undergrad, again took mathematics, no biology, yes. For my masters, again, I took applied mathematics, no biology, yes. For my PhD, I got this grant, which meant I could do anything. I had the flexibility to do any research in the whole world. And I chose to do cancer biology and genetics. So that look that you just gave me, that's exactly how my uncles and aunts look at me. They're like, ye kaise hua? How did you connect mathematics to cancer medicine? And so that's essentially what Sir wanted to talk about today. So I'm going to tell you the story of how I went from that boy who didn't want to do biology, vowed never to do it again, how he became a cancer scientist. So along the way, I'm also going to talk about choices like university, scholarships, and towards the end, I'll showcase some innovative projects that I was quite lucky to be working on in the fields of mathematics, artificial intelligence, but also genetics and cancer medicine. So I'll start with school. I don't have to tell you much about the school I was in.